ये चलो
Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Okay. In the last class, I asked you some questions related of your previous knowledge. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, our topic is parts of
speech.
Okay. So today we will learn parts of speech with explanation. Okay. What is our topic?
Parts of
Parts
speech.
of speech. So first of all, we know that what is meaning of part of speech. Okay, parts of speech means part of a sentence, and it has eight types. जैसे हिंदी में होता है ना, एक सेंटेंस होता है, जैसे राम एक अच्छा लड़का है, होता है ना, तो उसमें बहुत से पार्ट्स होते हैं, नाउन भी होता है, प्रोनाउन भी होता है, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब, संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, विशेषण, वर्ब, क्रिया विशेषण, सभी होते हैं ना एक सेंटेंस में। तो जो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच का मतलब होता है वो भी यही होता है। गॉट इट?
Yes.
ओके। सो फर्स्ट टाइप इज नाउन। ओके, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट टाइप?
Noun.
Noun. Noun is the name of person, place, things and animals. Okay. For example, Ram, Sham, Sita, Gita, etc. So, Sita is the intelligent girl. What is noun in this sentence?
Sita.
Sita. Okay. So first we'll learn, and second is pronoun. What is second?
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Pronoun is used in place of a noun, and we say shortly in place of a noun. इसको हम शॉर्ट में रिप्लेस ऑफ ए नाउन भी बोल सकते हैं। मतलब जो संख्या के स्थान पर आने वाले शब्दों को क्या कहते हैं?
Pronoun.
सर्वनाम। ओके। फॉर एग्जांपल आई, वी, यू, दे, ही, सी, इट एंड ऑल। ओके, जैसे हम, तुम, मैं, आप, ये सभी क्या है? सर्वनाम। ओके। एंड नेक्स्ट इज वर्ब। व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? वर्ब। Verb is a show action and state for being. जो verb होता है वो किसको शो करता है? किसी कार्य का होना या करना। For example, do, write, and read, and dance, sing, and all. Okay. And she sings a song. What is the verb in the sentence? Sing. Okay. So next is adjective. What is next?
Adjective.
Adjective. Adjective means adjective. It qualifies a noun or a pronoun. ये किसकी क्वालिफिकेशंस बताता है?
Noun and pronoun.
Noun and
Pronoun.
pronoun. Okay. So for example, good, bad, and honest, intelligent, etc. He is the intelligent boy. What is the adverb in this sentence? Intelligent. Okay. So next is adverb. What is next? Adverb. Okay. And it modifies a verb. It tells that how, when, and where something is done. जो कुछ हुआ है बेटे तो वो कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ और कहाँ हुआ, ये बताता है कौन? क्रिया विशेषण। For example, fastly, slowly, and honestly, etc. Okay. And next is preposition. What is next?
Preposition.
Preposition. Okay. It shows the relationship between two different parts of a sentence. Okay, for example, in, on, upon, over, in front of, above, etc. I said that in Hindi, okay, the marker is on the table. मार्कर टेबल पर है. अगर हम पर को हटा देते हैं तो आपका सेंटेंस क्या होगा? मीनिंगलेस. एक बार सोचना, अगर हटा देते हैं तो मीनिंगलेस होगा या नहीं होगा?
होगा.
Yes. And next is conjunction. So we will learn by C for conjunction and C for connects. It connects words, phrase and clauses. Okay. For example, but, or, and. For example, Sita and Gita are good friends. Sita and Gita are
Good friends.
What is connectors?
And.
And. Yes. Next is interjection. An interjection is a word which shows some sudden feelings and emotions. For example, oh, India wins the match. Hurrah, India wins the match, and wow, it is so beautiful. मतलब exclamation होता है ना, विश्व में भी वो लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी में, जिसका एग्जाम्पल है वो इसके अंतर्गत आते हैं. So we will stop this session. Okay. Now we take a quick revision by a chart. What is this? Parts of speech. Okay. It has how many types? It has 8 types. First is noun, second is pronoun, third is verb, fourth is adjective, and adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, we shortly said that name, person, and place replace of a noun, and verb describe a noun or pronoun, and adjective shows action or state. And adverb modifies a verb, and preposition shows relationship between two words, and conjunction joins two clauses or sentence, and it expresses sudden feelings or emotion. I ask you some questions, whatever I have taught you. Okay? Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, first question is how many types of parts of speech? Again, how many types of parts of speech? Section stand up. Okay, your answer is completely right. And what is meaning of noun? And what is noun? Yes, Kautan, stand up.
Name of person, place and thing.
Okay, your answer is completely right. Sit down. And next question is give some examples of verb. Give some examples of verb. Pankaj, stand up.
Come, see, write, etc.
Okay, it's completely right and sit down. Okay, we will stop this session.